Hey, this is Sean again. My odometer broke on my e30, so I took the cluster off. And there's other videos on YouTube to tell you to take the steering wheel off. You don't need to take the steering wheel off. It is 3:12 a.m. in New York. I got two kids. This is a very good time to work on my car. No one's bothering me. And I cut a little coffee cup to put my camera on. Here we go. Okay, got the instrument cluster here. I'm gonna have to flip this over. You're gonna see 4 screws here. 3, 4. I'll take this off. By the way, this is #1 tip screwdriver, and you can flip this over. There's a #1 tip common screwdrivers there, okay? So you're gonna need both. I'm gonna flip it over. I got the common screwdriver. You're gonna have to take this green housing off. There's a little clip over here. Bend it. Bend it. Don't break it. It is a plastic. There you go. Voila, this fell right off this way. So you could pull this up. Now you could pull this up gently. There's other pins in there, so be careful, okay? So there you go, voila. You got the whole odometer out. And you could look at it here. I have all the broken pieces on the other gear, so I'm going to take this off. #1 common. There's 2 screws. Okay, screws out. And this one also have little clip over here on the bottom, 2 clips. So you're gonna have to undo them, and it's gonna lift up this way, come out this way. So push, push, pull, gently. There you go. And this gear is damaged. There's no tooth inside of that inboard gear. You can see all the broken pieces there. Okay, that's why it's not working. So I'm gonna have to buy this gear on eBay and put it back together, and everything should be okay. So that's how you fix the odometer on the e30. And look at my other video, how to take the instrument cluster off. And I'm going to be working on a fuel gauge next. Bye.